Hello everyone, this is our CZ Interchangeable Purlin roll forming machine. Here is an overall view of the machine. The CZ Interchangeable Purlin roll forming production line also includes a steel coil decoiler and a finished product support table. This is the feeding section. This is the punching section. This is the roll forming section, where the steel coil passes through multiple roller stations to gradually form into the final purlin profile. Here is a display of the finished product. Customers can select either a C or Z profile according to their needs directly on the PLC, and can also set the positions for punching holes.